Good morning, sir. My name is Siddhi Tomar and my presentation topic is promotion programs as well as problems in promotion. Firstly, I will introduce my group members, Reshu Bansal, Tamas Saxena, Yash Gupta. So, what is promotion? Basically, promotion is a vertical movement of an employee within the organization. In other words, we can say promotion is an upward movement of an employee from one job to another, or we can say from one job to the higher one, in that ultimately or simultaneously the employee get increase in the status, salary, or as well as authority and responsibility. So basically promotion is of two types, that is temporary or permanent. With it is directly dependent on the organization, that what the organization wants from a particular employee. So the second thing is this, what types of promotion are there in the organization. There are two types of promotion: horizontal promotion, vertical promotion. So what is horizontal promotion? It is a type of promotion where an employee is promoted into the same category, or we can say in that same field, an employee is shifted to the another category within the same shift. So this is called horizontal promotion. For example, we can say a junior clerk is promoted to the senior clerk in the same organization or in the same category, is termed as horizontal promotion. The second one is vertical promotion. In that promotion, the employee get promoted from one job to another, or we can say from lower category to the higher category in that organization, is termed as vertical promotion. So basically there are two types of promotion an employee gets. So further explanation will be given by Reshu Bansal. Thank you.
Morning. As my group member Siddhi Tomar already discussed about the meaning and the types of promotion, now I'm going to discuss about the process of promotion, like what is the process for promoting a team member or anyone else in the organization. The first point is to the employee should meet to the team members for knowing their goals, career plans, and the aspiration for the promotion. The manager should plan the career goals and the career plan for their team members for their involvement of the promotion in it. Second point is to know the opportunity about the promotion of one or more team members, if any is available. Third point is the manager should ask to the HR director and department head for the approval. The manager should ask to the HR for the new salary, the new range, the new opportunity, the new benefit which is given to the team members which is getting promoted. The fourth and last point is the manager should allow and the manager should create a new meeting for the employees, so that he can ask whether the all the team members who is getting promoted would be happy or not with the new career plan. The other topic is what is the purpose and advantages of promotion. The purpose and advantages of promotion are as follows. The first point is to recognize employees' competitive behavior and motivate him um, towards the promotion towards their work and towards their goals. The manager should create the competitive spirit in the employee for better working of their goal, for their achieving the goal in the organization. Retained skills and talented employees, reduce discontent and unrest, utilize more effectively the knowledge and skills of the employees. The further slides will described by Tapan Saxena. Thank you.